I'm Steve Parry and I'm part of the management team of Entity Group Limited, and Entity Group have been around for many years, actually 25 plus years, doing complex software development. But in the last 5 or 6 years we've focused exclusively on information management and how that applies to some of the largest corporations worldwide. For data and information in those largest companies, folks are always trying to wrestle with two things really, and that's the opportunity they have around data and the obligations they have around that same data set. So what we tend to do is offer advisory services, helping people understand that balance and how the roadmap might look for the next 3 to 5 years in support of some business strategy, but also help them integrate the various software products that exist in the market to realise those opportunities or satisfy those obligations. We would like to think that Entity are differentiated in this field because of its history. So organisations set up to do complex software integration, one-off projects, some very specialist services, and brings that experience into the last few years where information management has been the focus. We also have some key folks in the organisation who have worked at the most senior levels in some organisations around the world. One of the things that most organisations are thinking about are opportunities around cloud or hybrid development. Many of those same firms unable to work out just how to take advantage of that. The advisory services that I've mentioned, we like to see those opportunities on that roadmap and work out how to migrate to a cloud environment. What Entity have focused on for some years now is a single view, a single consistent view of customers, of products, of things, of locations, and master data management, data governance, and enabling sharing of data within the biggest companies. Now often that data is generated by IoT, Internet of Things, and the sheer scale of some of that data, you can only make sense of that if you know what that thing is or what that data is likely to look like. So how to get continuous value from the investment that you've made in building something. That could be incorporating cloud, taking advantage of a hybrid environment, but over a period of years, how do you consistently deliver value? Managed data services is big for us.